نحمده ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. The gelatin containing capsules are normally from animal source, and in the West it is quite likely to be from a pork. Now there is a view that the chemical change that it goes through different process, that gelatin would have denatured and changed. The concept in Sharia is called istihala. Istihala means the changes that occur in certain thing are of a nature that it would render it completely different thing. So for example, if a donkey or any other animal fell in a mine of salt, and after several years it turned into salt, then that would be fine to consume for the fact that the chemical nature of the animal or anything has changed and it has become something completely different. Likewise, the alcohol which through certain process change into vinegar is completely fine to consume due to the change in its chemical composition. So the question arises whether with gelatin in capsules or in other products has istihala occurred or not. And there's difference of opinion. Certain people believe and ulama believe that yes, there is enough chemical change to make it halal now, while other more cautious scholars would still consider it to be not permissible to consume that gelatin. So based on that, you would find the difference of opinion whether you can use those capsules which contain animal gelatin or not, or any other product with certain gelatin. So on safer side, if one avoids it, it would be quite recommended. But if someone is in dire situation and they want to take the view that it is okay, then it's fine. Now, if someone bought capsules with gelatin, then one possibility is to just take the ingredients after opening them. Obviously, it would not have as much efficacy, but how much the efficacy will be lost is not known. But one can still hope that there will still be a lot of benefits, because the actual thing is not that capsule but the ingredient. So if one would want to try that, that is perfectly fine. If one would want to get rid of the infection they have and they have to have that antibiotic, and they want to take the view, you know what, I would rather go with this idea that it is okay, then inshallah ta'ala there is a leeway. With the difference of opinion comes a lot of barakah, and that excuse would be inshallah ta'ala fine. So it's totally up to you if you wanted to use that, and in future be a bit careful, or if you want to just avoid it, get a new prescription, and it's expensive obviously, or just getting the ingredients or the contents